Hi, my name is Rob. I'm a consultant physiotherapist and I work in Cardiff. I'm a specialist in musculoskeletal, which is to do with muscles and joints. We're really interested in the way that humans move, and so we help people with all sorts of difficulties with moving to move better and to function. Bizarrely, I wanted to be an architect, and then I went along to a careers evening and met a bunch of physiotherapists, and they seemed to be having a lot of fun and really enjoying their jobs. So I went did some work experience, really enjoyed that. Unfortunately failed my A-levels, which I needed to get into university, but ended up working as a technician, physiotherapy technician, for a couple of years, which was the best job I've ever had. That experience got me into university, and then yeah, it's been lots of work but lots of fun since. So what I like most about my role, I'd say, is people. I think as a therapist, you've got to really like people. You've got to be really interested in people, interested in them as an individual, and that's the bit I really enjoy. Is just getting to know people. You get to be a little bit nosy and understand people's lives, but also to help them to achieve the things that they want to achieve, which when that happens, it's incredibly rewarding. So I think my advice to anybody who's thinking about being an AHP of any sort, and particularly a physiotherapist, is get some good experience of it, find out what it's all about, and I think if it's something that you're really passionate about, just go for it. One of the problems I had when I was applying for university, particularly in terms of qualifications, I hadn't done a biological science, either at GCSE or at A-level, so I ended up going back to resit those. So I think that's an absolute must. The other thing I'd encourage as a modern therapist is to really understand things like sociology and psychology. So if you're interested in those, they play a really big part in all of the allied health professionals.